I designed this course for those who never did belly dance before but want to start learning this dance form, and they either want to do it on their own or as addition to some belly dance classes that they found in their city, as well as for those who just start learning belly dance but still not comfortable with basic movements, or for those who want to revise those basics of belly dance, because the foundation movements are the core of every dancing, and even professional dancers after 5, 10, 20 years from time to time go back to basic movements and see how they can improve and what other detail they can add to their performance of those movements. So if you're just starting your belly dance journey, or if you're already on the way, this course hopefully will bring a lot of interesting and useful information and help you to develop and improve your dance skills.